I purchased these two Felina bras, and I really like them. They're seamless, so they don't have any underwire, which is great. They also come with removable cup pads, which is nice because if you want a little more oomph, you use the pad. If not, you can take it out. And they have no tag, which is really nice, so you don't have anything bothering you in the back. They have a four-way stretch, so they're really, really nice and very comfortable. And they're side smoothing, as you can see, which is really great because this way it'll help flatten some of that side bump we get. And they're made out of nylon, spandex, and they're really, really comfortable. So I recommend them. I bought both of them because I thought I wanted one for each color, one for darks and one for neutrals. And I think you're really going to like them. I wanted to show you, give you a nice shot of the back and a nice shot of the front. And you can see also the natural color one and the back. And here, this is where the pads can be taken out. There's a little hole and you just pull them right out of here if you want to, or you don't have to. There's really not a lot of padding. It's just enough, not too much and not too little. I really hope you like these as much as I do because there was a great find.